My name is Vickie. I live here in Dallas, Texas, and we get lots of rain here. Um, the weather is hot and tornadoes, windy. Um, so one day I was actually looking through my mail and I saw LeafFilter. Well, my husband is always climbing the ladder. He loves the ladder for some reason. And I told him, you're getting too old for this. You're going to have to find somebody to do this. So we went to Home Depot and we bought this little leaf filter thing. Well, it kept blowing off. And so every time it rained, then I was like, oh my God, this is not going to work. So then I said, Dave, you really need to wait until I'm home before you climb the ladder. So I decided I was going to call. I found that LeafFilter mail in the mail, and I thought, let me call them and get an estimate. So I wind up calling. The representative came over. The sales rep came over. We sat out on the patio and had a cup of coffee. He was so friendly. We just talked for hours. We scheduled it. Brandon came out and he did an excellent job. Oh my God. He was above and beyond. He cleaned it up really well. He showed me how it works. He said, if you have any problems, he's very close. He just give him a call. He would come back and we got it done. So, of course, the day it rained, I was outside running around in the rain, looking to see, my gutters were protected, my house, my patio, because my front door was flooded with rain. I just couldn't get in or out the front door when it rained. It was horrible. So now that I have leaf filters installed, perfect. Everything's wonderful. I really, really like them. So if you don't have them, you better get them.